To inspect and replace the drive belt on your RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Drive belt maintenance should only be performed after the vehicle has been completely cooled. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, loosen the clamps retaining the PVT inlet duct to the outer clutch cover. Then, pull the hose off the intake and drive belt cover and set the hose aside. After this, remove the 14 clutch cover screws. Continue by maneuvering the outer clutch cover outward to access the drive belt. Now, mark the drive belt direction of rotation so that it can be installed in the same direction. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool provided in the toolkit into the driven clutch and turn it clockwise to open the sheaves on the driven clutch. Then, carefully walk the belt out of the driven and drive clutch and remove. Make sure to remove all debris wrapped in and around the PVT system and from the entire clutch air duct passage. Continue by checking for signs of damage to seals on the transmission and engine. If any seals appear to be damaged, your vehicle requires prompt service. Your Polaris dealer can assist. Next, inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. If replacing the belt, ensure it is installed in the same direction it was previously marked. Now, with the drive clutch spreader tool installed, loop the belt over the drive clutch and over part of the driven clutch and start to walk the belt into the clutch. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Next, rotate the driven clutch and belt clockwise approximately 5 to 7 times to seat the belt in the driven clutch. Now, install the outer clutch cover. Then, reinstall the 14 clutch cover screws and torque to specification. Finally, install the PVT intake hose and torque the hose clamp to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.